Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Hira. In this video I am going to show you the basic strokes of hand lettering using a brush pen. So these are the building blocks of letters. In the other words, all the letters in brush calligraphy can be created by combining these basic strokes. First of all, we will now learn about upstroke. This is also known as the entrance stroke or an exit stroke. Every time you go up, you have to draw thin lines. These lines are called upstrokes, and you can achieve this by applying light pressure on the tip of your brush pen. Now when you move your pen in the downward direction, you have to draw thick lines. These lines are called downstrokes, and this is achieved by applying heavy pressure on the tip of your brush pen. The first thing to learn is how to apply pressure to the brush pen. Okay, so the next is underturn. In underturn, we start with a thick line, then we release the pressure, then we transition into a thin line. So apply pressure, then release the pressure and move the brush upwards slightly. The next stroke is called overturn. In overturn, we do transitions, which means we use both thin and thick lines. In that, we will go upward from the thin line, then turn and apply pressure and move downward, which will give us a thick line. So that's how we have to transition to make an overturn. Next to the compound curve. So this is a combination of overturn and underturn. So you can see first the thin line, then the thick line, then the thin line. The distance between the strokes should also be the same. So in compound curve, we start with a thin line, then we apply the pressure, then we transition into a thick line. So release the pressure and move the brush upward slightly. That's how we have to make compound curve. I'm sure you understand very well. The next is ascending loop. This basic stroke starts with a light up stroke from the middle. From here on, you can gradually increase pressure and make a thick down stroke and come down. Now let's talk about the descending loop. This is a mirror of the ascending loop. It starts with a thick down stroke. Make sure you gradually decrease pressure at the end for the thin stroke to be joined seamlessly. The next stroke is oval. This is a closed shape. It starts in the middle of thin strokes and then make a thick down stroke. There's not one way to draw this stroke. You can draw it from any direction. In the first few attempts, you will get shaky strokes and your hand will shiver. But if you keep practicing these strokes daily, so your strokes will be very perfect. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. See you next time. Thanks for watching.